Alright guys, here we are again this morning. I promised to make good on trying to make a video a day, every day, on how our progress is going on our workout and our getting rid of our bad habits and all that good stuff. I'll let you know right now, yesterday, was my first day to really try to stay away from cigarette. Like I said, I was smoking a pack a day, so and I ain't using any kind of aids or help or anything like that to try to get rid of the habit. What I'm trying to do is change my habits. I ended up yesterday, I smoked 4 cigarettes yesterday, which was a long sight better than what normal is, but still not good enough. This morning I had one when I got up. But what I'm trying to do to change my habit is, in the morning when I get up, I normally would, make me a big old pot of coffee, and I would go sit outside on the front porch, and I'd drink coffee and smoke, and I'd probably smoke 6 to 8 cigarettes before I left for work in the morning, and do the same thing when I got home. I don't really smoke throughout the day, or haven't. I would smoke a bunch in the morning, and I'd smoke a bunch in the evening. So I was down to 4 yesterday. So far, 1 for today. Hopefully, I might have 1 this evening, and I'm trying to just completely, cleanly break it off. But what I'm trying to do is change my habits, and in order for me to get rid of a bad habit, I have to put another habit in place. And for me, I know a lot of people, they go out and they buy their vaping cigarettes or whatever, and that ain't what I want to do. I'm not trying to pick up another bad habit to replace a bad habit. What I want to do is put better habits in place. So what I started doing now is I got up in the morning, I made me a big old pot of coffee, and just like I always do, which is part of my probably bad habits, but I don't think there's anything wrong with black hot coffee. And then, instead of just going out there on the front porch, I went in there and soaked my butt in the hot bathtub for about 35 minutes. And, and do something different that's not, that will change your habit, something that's better for you. And for me, relaxing in the bathtub was pretty daggone nice. So anyway, then I, got up, got the toothbrush and all that good stuff, and went on to my workouts. And I just got back from doing my workout this morning, and we'll be talking about what we're doing to try to improve things. I'm not doing right now what I really consider to be any cardio. I need to probably put some cardio in there because I got a lot of belly to burn off. But right now, what I'm doing is I am simply walking the track down at the local school, but I'm not just simply walking. I bring dumbbells with me, and I'm starting out real light right now. I think I'm running 10-pound dumbbells or something like that. So what I am doing is I'm walking my first 100 yards, meters, I guess is what it is. They got the little lines on the track, all divided out, 4 sections, whatever. So what I'm doing is I'm starting at that first section, and I'm walking at a, nice, comfortable speed. And at the same time, I have my dumbbells, and I am doing curls. And what I'm doing is I do curls from the start line to the next quarter of the track, and then immediately I don't stop walking. Immediately, I switch from from curls to tricep extensions. I pull my arms back up over my head and I start doing my tricep extensions. I'm bringing them up every step. I'm doing tricep extensions. And I do that for the next 100 yards. Well, or meters, whatever it is. That's probably meters, but anyway. So then, when I get to that third section, I go from tricep extensions to pull-outs, just straight out here, down, up, and I'm holding that for like 2 steps. When I bring that up, it's up for like 2 steps, and then I let it down, I bring the other one up for about 2 steps. And I continue on until I get to the next transition of the track. When I get to the next transition of the track, I immediately go from there and I pull my dumbbells up here and I start doing military press with my dumbbells. I'm bringing them up and military, every step, all the way around the track, just doing my military, and all the way till I get to that. By that time, I've got back to the finish line, or to where I originally started. So then what I do is I lay down and I'm taking my dumbbells and I'm doing bench press, laying flat on the track. Your arms start out right here, and I'm doing bench press. I'm bringing them in, snapping them together. Bringing them in, snapping them together. Bringing them in, snapping them together. And I do about 40 of those, which right now I'm not trying to build major mass or anything. I'm trying to burn fat as well as build muscle. So I am doing some rather high rep stuff right now to do both, increase strength and burn fat. And anyway, so then after I do my military, then once I've got all my presses done that way, then I'm bringing them straight out here to the side, all the way down to the ground, and I'm doing basically dumbbell flies, I guess is what you'd call it, and bringing those together, and I do that for about 35 reps or so, 35 or 40, whatever I can get in. And then I get up and I go and start it all over again. I'm doing the whole process all over again. I go back, do a whole nother lap of trying to do the same thing again. Now my goal for right now, I think, is to try to get to where that I can do that 4 times. In other words, 4 laps all the way around the track, doing my whole workout. And I am doing this 4 to 5 days a week, okay? It doesn't take very long. It takes about 35 minutes, maybe, something like that. 35, 40 minutes. Don't take a tremendous amount of time. I do try to get some stretches in and stuff, which is something I haven't been doing, You're old, you're lazy, you ain't been doing stretches, and it hurts to stretch, dadgummit. But by golly, it needs to be done. We need to get more flexible as we age so that we don't get less flexible as we age. That's what I'm trying to do, is be more flexible, because I want to be able to do things well on into my late 50s, early 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s. I don't care. I want to be able to still be active on into my later days. And so the only way to do that is to try to stay, have good habits, try to get rid of your stupid habits, and try to be as physically fit as you can, which, major issues that older people have is flexibility. I mean, that's one of the things that goes first, probably before anything, is flexibility. And so I think that the more stretching you do at our age, the better you're going to be off as far as, you know, improving your flexibility and being a stronger, better you. And so anyway, that's going to kind of conclude this video right here. But like I said, I'm going to be making them every day. So please like, subscribe, give me a big thumbs up, whatever. Comment, please. Let me comment and let me know if there's anything that you want to know about, that you want me to talk about, that you need better understanding of, or if you just need somebody to talk to, give me a holler. I appreciate it very much, and I'll see y'all guys later. Thank you.